GenMath Group 9 presents one-to-one functions. The function f is one-to-one if for every x sub 1, x sub 2 in the domain of f of x sub 1 is not equal to f of x sub 2. That means the same y value is never paired with two different x values. Just like when for every UST senior high school student like Renee or Kyla, there is only one student number, like 2017 097777 for Renee and 2017 91056 for Kyla. Or for every STEM 13 student like Denise or Riza, there is only one class number, class number 4 for Denise and class number 18 for Riza. That's why, for every student like Isabel or Aran, paired with their gender, both females, is not a one-to-one function because people can have the same gender. Or for every student like Madel or Mariel, and the student's birthplace like Bataan is not a one-to-one function either because some students can come from the same province. Take note, one-to-one functions are not to be confused with functions. In functions, the same x value is never paired with two different y values. Whereas, as we said earlier, in one-to-one functions, the same y value is never paired with two different x values. Also, the graphs of functions can be proven through the vertical line test, whereas the one-to-one functions has the horizontal line test. A function is one-to-one if each horizontal line does not intersect the graph at more than one point. Unlike this one, multiple sets of points intersected the same horizontal lines. Now let's have some sample problems. Is x squared a one-to-one function? No, because negative numbers can have the same product as positive numbers when squared. Is x cubed a one-to-one function? Well, yes. You'll be hard-pressed to find a number with the same product when multiplied 3 times to itself. Well, because there is none. Now that we're familiar with one-to-one functions, it's time to know all about inverse functions. Inverse functions are one-to-one functions whose x and y values were interchanged, resulting into a new function. For example, to find the inverse function, interchange the x and y variables, then solve for y in terms of x. Let's have some sample problems. Number 1. F of x is equal to x minus 2 over x plus 2. It will become y is equal to x minus 2 over x plus 2. Interchange the x and y variables, making it x is equal to y minus 2 over y plus 2. Then we cross multiply, resulting to xy plus 2x is equal to y minus 2. Transpose y to the left side of the equation and transpose 2x to the right side of the equation, making xy minus y is equal to negative 2x minus 2. Factor xy minus y, making y times x minus 1 is equal to negative 2x minus 2. Divide both sides by x minus 1, resulting to y is equal to negative 2x minus 2 over x minus 1, which is the inverse function. Number 2. F of x is equal to 5 minus 4x cubed. It will become y is equal to 5 minus 4x cubed. Interchange the x and y variables, resulting to x is equal to 5 minus 4y cubed. Transpose negative 4y cubed to the left side of the equation and x to the right side of the equation, making 4y cubed is equal to 5 minus x. Divide both sides by 4, making y cubed is equal to 5 minus x over 4. Get the cube root of both sides of the equation, resulting to y is equal to the cube root of 5 minus x over 4. And there you go! Now that's it for today's lesson. All you gotta do is practice, practice, practice. Till next time.
Created using Powtoon.